Hey everyone, it's Aislinn. How are you guys doing? I know it's been a while. I have a small speed paint here for you today, but before I show you that, I just wanted to update you all kind of on, I guess, the situation with my YouTube. I'm gonna try to push this YouTube channel more in the direction of speed paints and tutorials, as well as the occasional animation. I just found that only posting animations put a large amount of pressure on me and burnt me out for a few years, honestly. My number one priority was always to get my art skill at a solid place, but I feel like all the pressure kind of stagnated me and I'm just now kind of getting out of that rut. Also, a reminder that my Patreon is still up and running. If you pledge, you can get access to over 100 posts. There are things like speed paints, works in progresses, PSD downloads, and also my brushes. I also have a tier in which I draw you a cool icon, kind of like these, that will be featured in my outros. I also have an Oni tier that sends out monthly postcard prints. Benefits are posted every Friday at 10:30 a.m. EST. To be completely transparent, I've been in an endless job search at the moment, so any Patreon support is extremely appreciated. I also have plans for reopening my store with stickers, prints, and cool stuff in the near future. Of course, if you like my art, please check out my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thank you all for listening, and for those who stuck around the longest, I love you so much and I appreciate your support.